Hello, this is Gail Davis from Horizon Hill Crafts. I hope everyone's doing well today. I wanted to show you a traveler's notebook that I made, coffee shop traveler's notebook from My Porch Prints, and I did a little fabric binding over the stitching, where I bound the journal together. But I layered the front. There's doily, there's digital from the kit, same on the back. I just used for the cover, I just used a very thick piece of white cardstock. I think it was like 110 pound. And then I took some Distress ink spray, I think it was Vintage Photo, and just sprayed it. Let it dry and layered the front. So inside the journal you have pockets that have pieces of ephemera from the kit. So we have a triple pocket here. And it is all coffee themed. Little tabs come with the kit as well. A file folder comes with the kit, so all I did was make a pocket out of the left side of it, put a tag inside. Images are very pretty. You have a slanted pocket here with a couple of tags. It's another pocket with a journaling card. Another one of the tabs. Another slanted pocket. A couple of journaling cards. Lots of writing space in the journal. Slanted pocket with postcard tag and a collage tag. Put a piece of lace, vintage lace on the top. Then we have a side tuck pocket. This is not from the kit, this is a tag that I had in my ephemera stash. Another one of those tabs. There's lots of room, like I said, for writing. And you could put photos or other things that you create yourself in here. Here's another one of the file folders in the kit. And I just, again, glued the right side down entirely on the page. Some lined writing pages. Another slanted pocket. This is a piece of ephemera from another Facebook group. I believe this came with the kit. It's been a while since I put this together. I just haven't had time to make the video. Okay, and then we have an envelope flip out. We have a pocket here. This is all from the kit. This is a little coin envelope. I did not put anything inside of it. Just tucked it in the pocket. Inside the envelope, there's a tag from the kit and a little notebook. You could put some like coffee dyed pieces of paper inside here and tuck it in here. Then we have another slanted pocket with a tag and this tag. You can cut these as separate or fold them together or put coffee dyed paper in the middle of that one as well. Be really cute. Another one of the tabs. Here's another side tuck pocket with a tag. This is not from the kit. This is from my ephemera stash. This is from my ephemera stash, and I believe this as well. And we have another pocket down here with a tag. And this is a little envelope. Comes from the kit. I did not put anything in that. Then we've got triple pockets here from the kit. This is another coin envelope. It's empty. This is from my stash. And I believe this is from my stash as well. We have another coffee grinder books pocket. And this is from my stash. Okay, another pocket. I believe these are from my stash. And then on the back page, another side tuck. This tag is from my ephemera stash. And then the back of the book. Now in the middle, where I bound the journal, I used wax thread, brown wax thread, and there's a charm. Can't really see. And this charm says Imagine. But perfect size for traveling. That's what you wanted to use it for. And like I said, there is room, lots of writing, and you can put pictures and such. Now, or add more tags and tucks in here as well. But wanted to show you how this looked once it was created. And I thank you for watching. And have a great day, everyone.